You ever wanted Totino's pizza rolls, but you are vegan? Here you go. The patient person makes the Totino pizza roll. The impatient person makes the fried ravioli. Either way, they're delicious. We're gonna use this BE Hive Italian Crumbles. Just a jar of sauce and some vegan cheese, egg roll wrappers, and that's it. The most tasty pizza treat that you can bring to any party. Oh yeah, I can start to smell it. Once you can smell it, you can see a little bit of browning on it. You're good to go.